Welcome back to the channel. Happy to do another unboxing, shall I say? Inbox review / unboxing / whatever you want. Anyway, this is the Bandai Y-Wing Starfighter. I believe it's in 1144th. This is part of a whole series of smaller little kits that are good size, and being Bandai, the quality will be fantastic. Picked this up at Neo Tokyo in London, Ontario for just under $10, so good deal. Anyway, let's go through it. So the box, typical Bandai box art, something very nice there. We have decal placement, which I believe they're stickers actually, but they showed the location of that, and then standard stuff on the end. So let's open it up, get to it. Nicely wrapped. Everything comes in a single bag, as you can see. I should point out, you're going over the instructions. The instructions are actually on the box top inside here. Kind of hard to read from there, I'm sure, but very clear. So yeah, everything you need to build there. Fairly simple build. So if we go into the bag, and as you can see, I haven't even opened it yet, so let's do that. And I'll show you what is inside. So, a lot of little frets, a lot of sprues. So first of all, we have these are stickers. They're not decals. Again, designing for the junior modeler, but most of this stuff's fairly easy to mask, I would think. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give it a whirl that way. And then we have a bunch of frets. So we start off with A1 and A2. These are both the engine units. As you can see, they're fairly nicely molded, shall we say. Every sprue is nicely labeled, so this is A1, obviously. You've got the numbers there. Beautiful molding. So you've got one for one engine and one for the other engine. The next one here is sprue A3. This is the forward cockpit area. And again, it's tough to see on these, but the molding on these is just absolutely gorgeous. Like, there's even little details in the guns here. Just beautiful stuff. Bandai is definitely, if not the leader, but one of the market leaders in molding for scale kits. Some of the stuff they do is just nothing short of magical. So yep, that's the, as I said, the forward cockpit area. We then have the last main sprue, which is the back fuselage. And again, look at the molding on this, just gorgeous. Fine detail. It'll be fun to weather these up, as these Rebel ships normally are. That'll be fun. And then last but not least, there is the standard Bandai stand, where you can put it in various modes. There's a little ball head, allows you to turn it, etc. So a quick and dirty review of this one. I'm really looking forward to putting this together. Shouldn't take long. So as I said, this is a copyright 2016 from Bandai, and this is the Y-Wing Starfighter. So as always, definitely see what else we're doing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel here, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the Scale Model Podcast at scalemodelpodcast.com. That's it for this time, folks. Thank you, and be well.